Hey everyone, welcome back to Mental Picks. So for today, we got our Friday recap and we got a total of 47 Amazon leads, 33 coming from our Amazon OA, here you go, and then 14 coming from our Amazon RA. There you go. There are the freshly websites that we've sourced today. So let's check some few of the searches that we got. First off is this from All Beauty, wherein you could get this benefit blush with a profit of 7.92 and an ROI of 33%. Next benefit, this Benetint, which you could get a profit of 11.15 with an ROI of 43%. So let's check some more from Argos. There you go. Let's drop and directly go to the last two. Squishmallows, you could earn a profit of 12.42 with an ROI of 186%. And another squishmallow, this poison dart frog that you could earn a profit of 5.6 with an ROI of 76%. Very great deals for our Friday leads. I hope you guys have a very good purchase on this day. So if you wanted to earn free extra money, we got you some options, review giveaways, affiliate income, and bounty bonus. So if you're interested to earn free extra money, feel free to check all these channels out. There you go. And we got a bot operated channel for you guys, which is an Amazon monitoring or A to A monitoring, wherein you could see all the latest deals and price drops of Amazon that you could also sell for Amazon itself. There you go, a lot of price drops. So if you're into A to A flips, feel free to check this channel out. Another bot operated channel that we got is this price drop monitoring, wherein you could see all the latest deals and price drops of these websites. So check it out, guys, because we got great deals and finds also available for here waiting for you. And lastly, our general and Amazon community, wherein you could use to interact, chat, and communicate with one another. So don't hesitate to use it. And of course, share your achievements with. That would be all for our recap today. I hope you guys have a very nice day ahead. Bye, everyone.